Troublesome Drones. We talked about the airborne home delivery by drones in April 2014. More than a year later, drones already brought more issues than benefits to our daily lives. Recently in Taipei, an uninvited drone smashed into Taipei's iconic building, Taipei 101. Drones also drew many incidents in the US and Europe. Firefighting efforts in the recent San Bernardino, California wildfire were hampered by drones hovering over the flames. According to a city official, helicopters used to battle the fire had to temporarily halt operations for fear of colliding with the drones. In 2013, a mini drone disrupted an election rally for German Chancellor Angela Merkel. Last year, a hobbyist accidentally crashed a drone into the White House grounds, triggering a security lockdown. Drones, also called unmanned aerial vehicles, tend to be smaller and lighter than military aircrafts, and therefore make them harder to detect. Regulators and military planners worry that those low-cost drones, which are widely available for purchase, could pose a threat to commercial aviation, vital infrastructure, and even troops. Though they have many legitimate applications in fields such as photography and filmmaking, their rapid spread and potential for misuse have given rise to a new business, which is the development of anti-UAV defenses. In the United States, some companies are developing counter-drone systems that use microphones or radars to detect drones. U.S. authorities have used these systems to protect prisons, sporting events, and government buildings. In Europe, a consortium of defense companies shot down a mini drone with the laser system which they developed during a test in Germany in May. The drone was destroyed at a range of 500 meters, but this approach wouldn't be practical everywhere. At many airspace-restricted places, such as places around sensitive government installations, or populated areas like sports stadiums, shooting down an encroaching drone usually isn't the option. Besides, another big concern of taking down drones is who and when such action is appropriate. Experts claim that drones present many defense challenges, partly because of the way conventional radar systems have evolved. For years, radar makers have used software to make sure that small birds don't register on radar screens to create clutter. Now engineers have to develop algorithms to look at objects of that size and distinguish drones from birds. Hoping to avoid potential clashes, commercial drone makers are installing the so-called geofencing technology, which blocks the drones from flying into airspace predefined as off-limits. However, technology and air safety experts say that such systems can be disabled. There are a whole lot of holes about the legal framework and regulations that are waiting for further discussion and solutions, commented Mark Radford, the CEO of Blighter Surveillance Systems in UK.